Hi, thank you for taking the time to check out our video on Microsoft Power BI. I'm Mtiwabo Mxenge and I'm part of the Strategic Partnerships team at the Microsoft Gold Partner All Online 365. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at one of the core components of the Microsoft Power Platform, Power BI. Essentially what it is, what are some of its features, and how it can be used. Before we jump into it, we need to understand what business intelligence is. BI is a set of processes and techniques to analyze raw data and extract information that helps drive better business decision making. Essentially, it aids you in keeping track of your business data and allows you to draw valuable insights. There are multiple tools at your disposal that play an imperative role in business intelligence. One of these tools is Power BI. So, what is Power BI? It's a cloud-based business analytics service provided by Microsoft. It lets you visualize your data and share your insights. It converts your data from multiple sources to provide you with interactive dashboards and business intelligence reports. So for example, you can take your Excel data and use Power BI to build various graphs and charts to visualize and interact with that data. There are two ways that you can approach Power BI. Either you're shaping the data and creating reports, or you're simply just consuming the reports and you're using them to make business decisions off that data. Taking a look at the 5 biggest features for the tool, we have the Power BI desktop. This is a free software that allows you to build reports by accessing data easily. You don't need advanced report designing or query skills to build anything, but it allows you to start exploring Power BI within your organization. Power BI supports stream analytics. From factory sensors to social media sources, Power BI supports real-time analytics, allowing you to make timely decisions. You can connect multiple data sources. Power BI supports various sources of data such as Excel, CSV, SQL, server web files, etc. to create interactive visualizations. This will also include pulling data from your ERP system to report on. We also have custom visualizations. Power BI's default templates might not be enough in some cases due to the complexity of your data. You can access a library of custom visualizations and find the one that meets your needs. One of the key features of Power BI is creating dashboards for multiple datasets. Power BI dashboards is a single-page visualization used to tell a story about your data. These visualizations are built for multiple reports, and each report is based on one dataset, and a single-page dashboard is known as a canvas. And the visualizations that you can see on the dashboards are known as tiles and are pinned to the dashboard by the report designer. And finally, I just want to attempt to paint a picture of how all of this is put together. Power BI architecture is a service built on top of the Azure, and there are multiple data sources that can connect to Power BI thanks to it. Power BI Desktop allows you to create the reports and data visualizations. Power BI Gateway is connected to your cloud or your on-prem data sources to get that continuous data for live reporting and analytics. Power BI services are basically a cloud service that are used to publish your Power BI reports and data visualizations. And then finally, we have using the Power BI mobile applications to stay connected from anywhere on any device, connecting to Windows, iOS, and Android. If you want to learn more on how to use Power BI alongside other tools in the Microsoft Power Platform to create applications to serve your business needs, or you're just simply interested in seeing a tailored demo, you can visit our website allonline365.com. And if you have any questions, you can email me directly at mt@allonline365.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.